Welcome to my channel. I'm over here at Midway. They got new apartments over there. Not very new though. And over here they have where the Minnesota Loons, that's a soccer team, plays. It's called Alliance Stadium. They used to have a McDonald's right there, but right now it's gone. They demolished it. This is not the best place to have business, and way beyond those signs where it says road closed. They used to have a small strip mall, and that over there it says a home used to be a long time ago. Kmart, then Walmart, at home, and that closed too. This is not the best place to do business. And right here they used to have like a tiny small strip mall, talking about maybe 10 years ago. This huge bird here, I think is a tribute to the Loons Stadium behind me, where Minnesota soccer team Loons play soccer. Lots of crime around here, businesses closing and all that. It's called Midway in St. Paul, Minnesota. It's a beautiful day to walk, a little breezy. Trees are losing leaves because it's fall season. And let's see what this says. I'll just let you read it. You can see they have the light rail over there, electric train. They have a cop sitting over there, Metro Police. Because they monitor the buses and the trains. It's a huge bird saloon. They did nice landscaping over here, as you can see. And people have respected it. They don't throw trash. They have this scooter, it's dead. People leave them anywhere. Obviously when they die you just drop it whatever. Don't see a lot of people idling around here. I have cameras over there. You can see it's huge. I think it's as tall as 2-story building. That used to be CVS over there, but they closed. This corner has a lot of crime, drugs and all that. Prostitution. It's an old Ford pickup truck. Yep, not the best corner. Between intersection of Snelling, going north and south, and University Avenue. University Avenue, and that's Snelling. That's Snelling Avenue. Show you the loon again. It's huge. I don't see any people hanging out around here. Alright, take it easy. Hopefully you're doing well, you're taking care of yourself. Just wanted to show you this corner here in Midway. Rough neighborhood. Not the best place to hang out. You can subscribe if you want. You can come back and watch a playlist. Let's see what this thing says. Maybe it's the same thing as the other one over there. Yeah, that's a bird. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace out.